The first step is to open Microsoft Excel and click File. Type product codes on one column. Go to next column, first row of product code. Type the command equals, quotation mark, asterisk, quotation mark, ampersand, A2, ampersand, quotation mark, asterisk, quotation mark. Note that A2 is not constant, it is just indicating where the command starts from, then press enter. Click and drag the cell's handle to paste command on necessary rows. With those cells still selected, in the menu click the font drop-down. Type in Libre Barcode 39 and press enter. That's it, you're done.